EHOVE gives us a great opportunity to learn a skill that's gonna last a lifetime, gonna better myself, my family, my future. The HVAC Tech program, it lasts a total of 9 months, 600-hour course. Over that time, we start out with going over some OSHA, just general safety. After we finish that up, then we get into your heating, and then we start to get into ductwork and electrical. Then we move on to do all of the cooling side of it when we start to get close to the EPA portion, where we're gonna get our certificates and get licensed to handle the refrigerant. And then at the end of the course, we close off with like resume building, as well as the internships to get out and get into the field for some of the guys who haven't been able to get out there yet.
I am connecting the power, so this is very nice.
I know at the beginning of the school year, we had talked about just how many people in the industry are getting to the point of retirement where they're able to pass on the torch and have a new wave of people coming into the industry, and the job opportunities are definitely there for HVAC technicians.
I am mounting evaporator.
I'm able to have a full-time job and then still be able to attend classes. I think that another big advantage is just having a support system that cares, that wants you to succeed. It's a rock star team, and I appreciate them for sure. You should come to EHOVE because they treat you like family. Your future, your career.